Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about cleansing, particularly using a couple different types of cleansers for different use cases. So why don't we jump right in. We've got Micellar water from Herla, and I like a Micellar water because you can use it as a quick wash on the go. You can use it to get your makeup off just as a makeup remover if that's what you want to do. So I start by squirting some of that right onto a cotton pad. I keep my cotton pads clean by keeping them in a mason jar, so that's a pro tip for you as well. And you're just gonna want to lightly dab. So there's a couple techniques you can use. The one that I recommend the most is an upward stroke. And you're sort of just like brushing it upwards. This also acts as a way to give you a little bit of massage and a little bit of a lift. So this is how I tend to do it. And then when I need to just get the rest of the stuff off, I'll just wipe and dab all the way around my face. Make sure I get everything off. Amazing. And you can see on that cotton pad exactly what was on your face. Yikes. So next, we've got a gentle wash from French Girl Organics, and this is kind of like your typical gel cleanser, but instead of being a water base, it's actually based with aloe vera, which is really healing. And I like that because you're not just kind of paying for water to wash your face off with it, but rather an actual moisturizer. And when I rub it into my hands, it actually starts to foam up. So I'll just put that onto my face. And here we're using a mix of circular motions to get all the way around the face. And I might need a little bit more for my forehead region. You really want to do this evenly everywhere. Spending time on your cleansing step of your routine is going to serve you well in the long run. This is where I spend a lot of time in my routine just to make sure I get everything off. As you can see, that was not your picture perfect cleanse from an early 2000s commercial. You really want to get in there. It's not just about splashing water on your face gracefully. Okay, and the reason why you want to spend more time on that cleansing stuff is because if you don't get everything off, putting on serums, your moisturizer won't be as effective. And now we have two other options. We've got a milky cleanser from Circcell. This is also really great as a texture because it'll help with getting your makeup off, it'll help with getting excess oils off, and it's really gentle and it feels luxurious. And then we have a Tracie Martyn oil/gel cleanser as well, and that is also great. Light dissolves like when it comes to your oils and your cleansers. So if you have oily skin, you might want to look for a cleanser that may even have a little bit of an oil just to begin as your first step, and then you might cleanse a second time with a gel or water-based cleanser to get everything else off. And that's really the start of it. Thanks for watching.